Hello, welcome to this tutorial where I will show you how to use the car prep tool if you are using Blender to manage a FBX file or another mesh file to get it into probably Unreal Engine or maybe another software. But you have to make some arrangement to that file, maybe because of the direction or some specific meshes that you need in some specific format. And you are spending a lot of time doing it manually. So let me show you how to do the thing with this add-on that I developed. So basically, I'm just gonna select everything, get rid of this, and the only thing you need to do is go to Preferences, select Add-ons, go to Install from Disk, and when you download it, you will have to look it for in your download folder or wherever you put it, and get the carprep.py. Install from disk, and then you're ready to go. If you hit N on your keyboard, you should have it right here as car prep. Okay, so let me show you how it works. I'm gonna import an FBX file. Let me get it. So it's importing now. Okay, so as you should know, if you're using the Unreal car rig, we need the mesh to be, first of all, facing X forward. In this case, it's facing the other direction. And we need to center it in the origin. And then you will have to create a lot of different mesh files. So we can do it manually. Just select the mesh, rotate it, place it, try to figure out the middle place of it. But with the car prep tool, you just need to hit N again, select everything, and then it will ask you, first of all, the original position and the transformation that we need. So in this case is facing X negative or X backward, and we needed to put X forward. So we have an option here, which is the right one, which is minus or negative X to positive X. We're gonna select this. In case it's facing like positive Y or something or another direction, you can just select it from here. But in this case, this is the one that we needed, and we're just gonna hit Fix Car Pivot and give it a couple of seconds, and it will clear all the parents, clear all the transforms, and it will look for the middle point, and it will center it and give you a nice position so we can start prepping our mesh. So after that, we will have to do some splitted, to split. Well, the meshes are already splitted, but we will have to arrange them in separate FBX files in order to work with the car rig. So we can do it manually. We can just go, select one, hit hide or hide it, or hit M, create a new collection, and start doing that. But with the car prep tool, you can just select a mesh, and here we have different collections that will resemble to the specific files that we need to create. So in this case, we have a collection for glass. So we can pick the meshes that are intended to be glass, do multi-selection, and then just hit the collection that we want to put in. By default, whenever you put a mesh into that collection, it's gonna hide it, so you can know what is left to be put in the collection. So we go to glass. And we have the interior. We can also click in here, and there's like an interior collection for this. We can put it there. And for the wheels, sometimes you are gonna get the wheels like in mirrored and just one mesh. In this case, you will have to do manually split or separate those. You can find another tutorial to get that, especially if you have like different sizes in the back or in the front. But in this case, wheels are the same size. I just separated this for these tutorial purposes. So I will show you that for the wheels, I will select these meshes. I will put it in the front wheel collection. Remember, if you have like a bigger wheel here or another size, we have a specific collection for that. So you can use rear wheel. Also, these meshes belong to the front wheel, this guy too, and also this and this. And remember that the caliper is gonna be fixed, so we have to put it in a different collection. So we have the front caliper collection here, also these guys. And in case you needed to do like a rear wheel, there's also a rear caliper collection for that. So there's another collection that is called no export. So in this, we're gonna put everything that we're not gonna need in a specific XVX. So I'm gonna put it then in here. Just also this, no export. Let me bring this also to no export. Also these wheels and no export and no export. Okay, and okay, sorry, we're missing these guys. No export and no export. Okay, so basically we have all these meshes left, which are gonna be the body. So I'm gonna select all of them and put it into the body collections, and now we're done. There's nothing else missing. We can bring all the things back just on hiding them with these bottoms. If there is nothing in the collection, you basically can't do anything, and we have all the meshes now. So following through, there's an error message here which says save the blend file first for export, and this is because the export files are gonna have they're gonna be directed to the directory that has the Blender file, and also is gonna get the name. So I'm gonna save this into a folder that I have here. Just I'm gonna create a new folder. I'm gonna hit escalate prep. I'm gonna name the file as escalate and save Blender file. Okay, now that it's saved, you can see we no longer have the warning message, and there's a directory path here which is escalate prep and export. The good thing here is that also remind this, you will have to turn the visibility on for all the things that are going to be exported, so we don't miss anything. Those we're not going to export it, so it's okay. But visibility for the groups of the collections has to be on in order to export them correctly. So in some cases you can just go and, or well, you will have to select this, go to File, Export, FBX, blah blah blah, selected objects, Mesh, X forward, C up, all the stuff. And the thing is that you will have to do it manually for every single different file that you want to create. But with the prep tool, you can just hit export all FBX. We have here the message that is already there. And if we look into the folder where we save the Blender file, which I have it right here in the escalate prep, you can see we have the Blender file, but we have also an export folder that was created automatically. And then we have the body, the front caliper, the front wheel, the glass, and the escalate interior as separate FBX that you can just import into your Unreal CAD rig. And that's it. It's super easy. In case you have to, you did some changes to, I don't know, maybe just the body, you can hide all the things that are not body, like that. And you don't have to create all or re-export every single mesh again. You can just hit this little button here, which is gonna just export this collection. And it's gonna create a new file, as we see here. And that's it. I think this is gonna save you a lot of time. And in my case, it does. And hopefully you can give it a lot of fun and try it out. And let's hope that it improves your workflow. So thanks for watching and see you soon.